Yeah, Bizana. Day one is done. Day one is done. Yeah, boy. We're promoting this. A Wild Coast. Get 25 ka April. So White Coast. So yeah, day one wamuphelile Wild Coast ke on. I'm in Bizana. Sashiyeke 19 more days to go. Kuzawukakwa. Bengiqala nohlala. Eqala uhlala. So izaba ngiyomyo yorozo ke promoting final touches. I-lineup ityebile ke kuphanjile khomna kukhuluya nqaba. Who else is there? Vusi Oleg, Utatam Tamrojana is gonna be there. Luphelo Kodwa. It's gonna be a dope lineup, man. So Rosa Bonile ityebile indawo. Bona into eninzi ndingena nje kwenzeke ikaka sona udibana estagini local. Ndingena nje kwenzeke ikaka. And then the following day I'm expecting inkomo town. Nabona kho adult entertainment. Yo entertainment world. But the entertainment world got an adult world, but yeah. Gaga. So I'll be here, Makwande PNP, Poleapa the whole time until the show. We'll be doing radio, we'll be doing Yoginda. I'm gonna show you. Tomorrow I'm going to the venue, Ewell Coast, Bonisa Yongela Kaga. Yeah, bo. So yeah, day one Pizana again. Done and dusted, done and dusted. Tomorrow day two. So people at Pizana, get your tickets. A CompuTicket, WaShoprite, people Port Edwards, Kokstad, Lusikisiki, yeah, but Margate, Masambe, let's get them tickets. It's gonna be a full house, gonna be a dope show, dope lineup, yeah, bo. Yeah, so see you there. So collect information about the place. So whatever I'm gonna be talking about is exactly about what I've seen in this 20 days since I spent up at Pizan. Ayikho enye ikaka endizawuyithetha ndizawuthetha exactly about the 20 days eBizana. So yes, let's enjoy because ngene ngenkungu ndingena nje yabona ngena ngekaka ndingena nje yabo. So yeah, see you nge 25 ka April, Wild Coast Sun.